Once you download the starter project, you will see that it comes with 6 different files. The first file is main.dart. The second file is data.dart, which holds all of our data in the app. And then we have 4 different models in the app. We have food.dart, which has an image URL, a name, and a price. And the image URL links to one of the images in the assets folder. Next we have restaurant.dart, which contains an image URL, name, address, rating, and list of food items, which represents the menu. Then we have a user class, which consists of a name, a list of orders, and a list of orders that are in the cart. And orders consist of a restaurant, a food, a string date, and quantity. Back in data.dart, we can see how we instantiate the data. First, we create all the different types of food, each with their own image, name, and price. Next, we create all the restaurants, each with their own image URL, name, address, rating, and their own menu, from the food items we instantiated above. And now below this, we created our list of restaurants, which is over here in nearby restaurants. And if we click into one of the restaurants, then we see all the food items on the menu for that particular restaurant. If we go back to our home screen, we can see our recent orders, and that's contained in current user, where we listed out the orders of our user. And here we see the orders inside our recent orders matches up with the orders we specified in here. We also specify the data in our user's cart, and when we click on cart, we can see the different food items that are currently in our cart and how much they cost with their quantity. And the last thing to note is how we imported the images into our app. If we go into our pubspec.yaml file, we can see that if we scroll down to assets, all I did was uncomment this images line and then replace it with assets/images/. And that's how we import all of our images from our assets images directory.